and Chef X.
What's up, YouTube? We are back.
Oh yeah.
Back with another video, baby. I see the spread. It's about to be a mukbang.
My favorite thing to do.
Eat?
Try new foods.
Oh.
And this is new.
Oh, God. This is exotic, unique, and different. Guys, if you saw our last recipe,
You already know what this is.
man, we made these amazing wings. You want to tell them?
Sure. We made spicy Smackalicious Ranch Chicken Wings,
Ooh, guys. We took the beloved Smackalicious sauce, seasoned up the chicken wings with it. Then we took some ranch powder, seasoned up the flour with it. We combined it, put it all together. Oh, and this is the finished product. Tell them what we got there, what you wanted.
Spicy Smackalicious Beloved sauce.
Ooh, don't do that. Ooh.
Oh, I have to. That's how you have to say beloved sauce. You have to say it like that.
That's right. And she wanted some Smackalicious sauce with the Smackalicious Ranch Wings.
Have to. I mean,
It's about to go down.
when we buy like 6 packs, might as well use them. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, everything here smells so good. It smells so good.
It's about to go down, Chef and Chef X.
Guys, if you're new, make sure you guys join our family. Welcome. Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that button, guys. Turn on that notification bell.
And if you're not new and you're a returning family, welcome back.
Hey.
Everybody, hit the like button now. Because this is about to be a bussin' video. It's about to be bussin'. Sheesh. Guys, it's going down. Yo, wait, hold
I don't know nothing about that.
on. Yeah, that's right. You're a little old.
I am.
You know what I mean? You're a little prehistoric and thing.
I am.
Guys, you know we gotta say grace. Come on, let's bow our heads. We about to say grace
Go
before
ahead,
we
honey.
eat. You ready?
Yes, please bless the food.
Grace. Let's eat. Woohoo! First, I gotta wet my. You gotta wet your palates first before you. You alright?
No, I'm not. God, please bless this food before we eat it. Thank you for lovely sauce, God. And I pray for Chef Trini. I ask that you pray. I'm praying for him, guys. God. And my Chef and Chef X, please pray for Chef Trini too, that I don't beat his head with a chicken bowl. Amen. Woo! Let's eat. Sometimes you get me so angry.
You going through something?
I'm going through something.
I think so. When's
am.
the last time you go to church?
Oh, I did confession the other day.
True, and the church is still up?
The church's still up. Actually, you came with me.
No, I don't know. I didn't go to.
You did come
No,
with
I
me.
didn't go to-
Yeah, we went together.
No.
Yes.
No.
You was in there for a very long time.
No.
Remember when the priest said like this and pulled out his mask and was like this?
No.
Whoop.
No. I don't even know what you're talking about. But let's eat. I want to try this
All right.
food.
All right. Let's go. Let's try it first without the sauce because remember we seasoned it.
Wait. Where's the one you licked?
Right here.
You sure?
Yep, I moved it over.
Okay, just making sure you take the one you licked.
Don't worry about me.
No.
Don't mind me.
No.
Don't
Guys,
mind me and my chicken.
I'm gonna put the link for the recipe right here, and I'm gonna put it in the description so y'all can see she was licking the chicken.
Don't
Yeah.
judge me.
She was licking the chicken. Let me go
But he
ahead.
took his finger and said it.
No, that wasn't me.
Make sure you put that one in there or drop it here, over there, or somewhere.
Cheers. Let's try it.
See, now you got what I licked on your chicken. You're so smart, yo. This has so much flavor for not even putting
This is really good.
no seasoning other than...
Yo, Wingstop, Buffalo Wild Wings. Y'all want nothing on us.
They sure don't.
Guys, tag B Love. Make sure she see this recipe.
You know what? You know what we didn't do? We didn't even hold up a chicken wing for y'all.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's really good.
It is really, really amazing.
Smackalicious Ranch.
Look at the sauce. It was hot. See that sauce? I'm gonna take Smackalicious spicy.
I'm gonna drop the link for how we made the sauce as well in the description. Oh, I'm making a
Look
mess.
at this. Look at this. You see that? Look at this. Dripping.
You tried the wing yet?
I did.
Without?
Yeah, I sure did. It was really good. So flavorful. You didn't have to add no onion powder. You didn't have to add extra garlic powder.
No salt, nothing.
Nothing.
Just a Smackalicious packet.
Just a Smackalicious packet. That's it.
Tastes like
and then we put our ranch packet and our flour and cornstarch.
Yes, cornstarch to make it crispy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I hear the crunch. This is good. That's spicy.
That's really banging.
I'm gonna try that next. I gotta try that. Let me finish this first. You know you can't waste no chicken. How y'all, when y'all eat y'all chicken wings, y'all leave meat on y'all chicken wings?
If you do, you ain't eating it right. I'm just saying.
Comment down below. Let us know how you eat your chicken wings.
Let me tell you something. This is something you would think we would learn our lesson. Every time we eat Smackalicious, we never bring a napkin. And we make such a big ass mess.
Me? I ain't gonna make it on that.
Wait for it.
Let me get one of these carrots. Carrots in Smackalicious sauce. Guys, a moment of silence.
That sounds amazing.
You guys don't know what you're missing.
That sounds so good. On the bottom of that sauce, guys, is nothing but goodness.
Yeah, you could take the celery stick and scoop out all the
I'm gonna do that for y'all.
the onions, what was it, ginger. Guys, I'm gonna drop. There's so much ingredients, vegetables in that sauce. I'm gonna drop the recipe for y'all. You guys make sure y'all make it.
A sweet onion.
Make sure y'all like this video.
Some coke in there.
Comment and subscribe.
And follow her instructions. If you don't follow instructions, you ain't doing it right.
And instructions is in the back of the pack. After you make it, you gotta let it sit a little. You can't make it and eat it right away. You have to let it sit, let those ingredients marinate into the sauce. There's butter in there. This is good.
Oh, darling.
Let me get another one. Oops, I dropped it in the sauce. Oh no.
I should swoop it up for you.
Don't touch my chicken.
You sound greedy.
Don't touch my chicken.
There's mad chicken on
Hurry
the
up.
table.
Hurry up.
You licked it?
Hurry up.
Look, look, look.
Thank you.
Look. You see? In the bottom of the sauce.
Come on, my chicken's drowning, you know.
Nobody told you to throw it in there.
Come on, my
chicken don't swim. You should put a life vest.
Thank you. Damn chicken's drowning and ooh, he came up with some onions on him. Ooh, my chicken went for a swim.
Nobody told you to put your chicken in there. You should put a life vest.
How about I throw you in there?
I fucking love it.
I'm sure you would. Ooh, guys.
It's not mad juicy. Let's see if I have to throw my carrot in there.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Yo, my carrot's floating though.
Drown, mother Scott. Drown.
Yo, nobody told you don't play with your food? Get out of here.
Oh, my bad. Guys,
Oh, that's good.
the Smackalicious sauce isn't just for seafood, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I took these wings to another level.
You can eat this shit with everything. Sorry. You can eat this thing with everything.
Ooh, you cussing. That food must be busting.
It is very good.
Got you cursing up a storm.
I say banging. I don't say buzzing. But this is new generation.
Ooh.
Okay, you say?
I forget you old.
You already know.
She was around when dinosaurs roamed the earth.
I don't know about that old. But I can do some dance moves from the 80s.
Prehistoric. She do the cabbage patch, the pepper seed, the healing toe, Tootsie Roll. That's what she do.
That's my
No.
Oh, sorry.
We're gonna get copyright.
Sorry. Alright. Those are my jams.
Ooh.
Those are that's my time.
I know. Oh. I'm full.
Bro, you know, like, we right there, like, same time, right?
No.
Yes, we are.
No.
Yes, we are. You and I.
Let me get some more sauce. I'm dipping the bone in the sauce. That sauce is banging.
Real good.
Alright.
Guys, make this.
Guys, check out our recipe, how we made these spicy Smackalicious Ranch Wings. And then check out our recipe, how we made the Smackalicious sauce.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Chef SFS, let us know what you think.
But we got the spicy packet. If you don't like spice, get the mild. She got the mild. I think they're still 50% off, so jump on it. It's like $12, I think it was. Go to Amazon, get you that Be-Love sauce.
Yeah, get you that Be-Love sauce. Say something.
All right, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Anything else you want to say?
I got hit with a chicken bone. You ever got hit with a chicken bone?
You ever got hit with a celery?
Bro, I will go blow for blow. Blow for blow. Blow for blow.
On guard. Dead. Guys, that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't fight with your food. Please. Don't stab nobody with a celery. And we are out.